over here. It's pretty smooth, which is nice. There were a few cars that went around last night, but not bad. We were just going to the village and stuff, so we kind of went off the side road over here. Morning, Layla. How did you sleep last night? What? Go away. Are you a little cold? You seem to have 3 blankets on you.
What?
You seem to have 3 blankets on you.
I'm cold.
What?
I'm cold.
You're cold.
If I get up, I'll be freezing.
No. It's pretty cold out there. Sleeping Beauty's still sleeping.
Sleeping whiny.
Even with bacon on your door. How'd you sleep, Beauty?
I sleep pretty good.
What?
I sleep pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was cold.
What?
I was cold. The blankets
I thought you were wearing
I have. I have 2 blankets on. This blanket is so short, so I was just like the entire night.
Tonight we'll have sweatshirts and pants on.
It's so beautiful to like wake up to mountains.
What did you wake up to? Which view? The mountains.
That view I lived over there. It's so beautiful.
It's downright civilized in here.
And then bananas and oranges and this and that. And I have Karak tea. I have coffee.
No, you have hot chocolate.
It's hot chocolate coffee.
Yay! Ayla's a little stuck on the mountain.
Probably would be. But you had fun? Was it scary?
It was scary kind of getting up, but because like there's a bunch of these rocks, and you could slide down it, but it's not a ledge like that, so you wouldn't just fall.
Yeah, it's not like straight down.
On your butt and hurt your butt.
Yeah, or your knees too.
Yeah.
Should we get down there so we can go get a smoothie? Let's do it.
I'm gonna get a ton of treats after this.
A ton of treats. Are we bribing again?
Yeah. What?
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 Come on.
We went all the way to the top.
Hey, so I just wanted to come up and see if the Shawka pools had any actual water in them without the family, just in case there wasn't much going on. I didn't want to drag them all the way up here. So you can see there's a bit of water. It's probably about waist deep, I would say. It's quite cold. It looks reasonably clean. Like, probably jump in it, but keep it out of your mouth. The only problem is you can see somebody's come up here and had a barbecue or something and just trashed it, left all their stuff up here. Some of it's blown into the water, and so that part isn't so nice. But if it's clean up here, it's super beautiful. And I would say after a good rain, there'll be a lot of water in here. And even, try to do this without falling over. And even up here, you can see on like some archived satellite imagery that there gets to be a lot of pools up there as well. So it'd be a lot of fun. You can't drive all the way up here. You've got to hike, or you can mountain bike. But you gotta be in like good shape to mountain bike it. If you go along the wadi bed, it's just gnarly rocks the whole time. So I mountain biked about halfway, and then I found there's a trail that actually goes kind of up there. And if you're a good single track rider, I'll show you the trail in a minute. If you're a good single track rider, then you can do it. If you're not a good single track rider, I would suggest not doing it, because the track is only, I'd say, probably half a meter wide, maybe a meter in some places, and it's kind of gravel, and it's just like a face on one side. So if you're not a good single track rider, wouldn't suggest doing it, because you could fall right off the edge. It's like 40, 50, 60 foot drop. So yeah. Yeah, let me get back. You can't get the whole way, as you can see, unless you're a really good downhill rider. You're not coming down that. So I actually stopped just around the corner here. I didn't realize you could kind of walk down here, but you got to like ride most of the way. Then you got like the last 30 feet or so to kind of like climb down and then walk over. It was pretty fun, super exhausting, but fun. So yeah, I'll show you the track. Right there is a pretty good wide spot, and then it actually doubles back and heads up there. I don't know where that goes. That might just actually loop around this little point here, but I didn't check it. I just cut straight across to there, and the pools are just down to the right. So yeah, that's the track there. I'll try to get some more footage of it.
Now you just
It's on Mama
got in
now.
my eyes.
It's in my eyes.
Let's go.
Why?
Let's go.
All right, everybody. I know that this is gonna look like slow motion, but it's actually regular speed. Just in case you're wondering, like, how did he slow motion them riding for so long? That's the actual speed, guys. It's the actual speed. Stop.
Goodbye.
They're slowly getting away. That's gonna be pretty easy. Gotta get in before the flies get me. So yeah, it's a nice place to camp. It's far enough back that you're away from everything, but it's not so far that like you can't go get stuff if you need it. And it's nice because the hiking trails are like just over there, and the pools are that way, and you can mountain bike on any of these paths as well. So yeah, it's a good location. Nice breeze. I don't know if that was just random, like lucky or what, but there's been a really nice breeze the whole time. The only downside, you need to have one of those like tents that is just mosquito netting, because during the daytime there's so many flies. But other than that, it's been really nice. And we didn't even get to like really go a long ways. I mean, we've done the hikes before, but we didn't get to go up into the wadi farther. There's like villages up there. Yeah, but nice place to camp. Definitely highly suggest if you're going to come out into Wadi Shawka, you can come here and camp, or just right around the corner. Maybe we'll put a pin on that location if you've got a smaller trailer, or if you're just tent camping. Then definitely give it a go. It's super nice.
Loved it. I loved the campsite here, and it was fun. We got to go on like bike riding, and climb to the top of that mountain. At least that's what they got to do. Yeah, it's really fun. And we're gonna go see the pools today. Wait, no, we're not.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see the pools
we're
today.
gonna see the pools.
There wasn't much water anyways.
Yeah. And we got to hike a little, and it was really fun. I really enjoyed this. And the next place we're gonna go to is Hatta, so I'm gonna enjoy there too.
Hey, what are we doing?
Salad and the avocado wrap.
Huh?
What are we doing?
Oh, we just we did some bike riding this morning. I'm gonna throw air quotes, bike riding. And then Ayla and I climbed up to the top of the mountain, and now we rolled in because we had to refill the water in the tank and get some more fuel for the generator. And then we're gonna grab some food for a takeaway. This is the Al Tabia cafeteria. It's just outside of Malaya. We usually come here on the way back from hiking in Shawka. But since we're camping, we figured we'd swing over after we got the fuel and everything, and grab some food and some drinks. So I'm going to get the Jazeera Club. Just for me, that's American size right there. That's an appropriate size meal.
So let me focus.
Can you focus in on the...
There you go.
Yeah, all of that. All of that, just for me.
Thank you.
Yeah, but they have a lot of stuff. They got like tons of food. All different kinds of things. And it's all super cheap too. And they got ice creams and like fried chicken and whatnot. And then the drinks. I'm gonna get my normal Burj Al Arab. Mango and avocado. Can't go wrong there.
Okay.
And then the same place, there's a supermarket, and you can get wood and ice and all that stuff. So there's plenty of places on your way to Hatta or Shawka. Yeah. On your way to Hatta or Shawka to like top up on stuff. Food, water, ice.